Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing only what the page needs: a small SVG or GIF spinner, and a preloader container placed as the first child of the body. Add a minimal CSS reset so the loader centers consistently across browsers. Once done, inject the spinner markup and basic styles inline or in a critical style sheet to avoid render blocking. Make sure to set the container to fixed, full screen, and a high z-index so it sits above content while resources load. You now implement the loading logic. Gather asset loading promises for images, fonts, and any async modules, then await promise. Also, you know when critical resources finish. While assets load, update a progress indicator, debounce progress events to 30 to 60 milliseconds to avoid janky UI. Once progress reaches completion, call your hide method. Make sure to provide a simple show/hide API so other modules can trigger the preloader, and include a small You finish by animating the preloader out using a short CSS transition, then remove the DOM node so screen readers and tab order return to normal. Add a 5 to 10 second fallback timer in case a promise never resolves, and ensure the fallback marks loading as complete to prevent deadlocks. If things go wrong, first check the console for unhandled promise rejections and simulate slow network conditions. These steps quickly reveal missing asset promises or blocked third-party scripts.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.